Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Eric.
We're from Chevs and 40s and Street Rod headquarters.
Today we're going to show you how to install a headlight switch. This 6-volt headlight switch fits 1940 to 54. We're going to install it in our 1941 dash we have here. So let's get started. We're going to grab the screws and place them on the headlight switch.
We got all the wire terminals put on, so now we're going to install it from behind the dash. There is a locating pin on the dash that you make sure that your locator on the headlight switch coincides with it. So we insert the ferrule through the front side of the dash, screw it into the light switch. Then I just use a screwdriver in the slot and tighten it up.
Next we're going to prepare the knob with a cup of water, 120 degrees. We're going to drop it in there and let it sit for a minute or so and then install it. Now we're going to pull it out and connect it to the rod. And click it on.
Now we'll take the shaft with the knob and insert it into the switch. You'll know it's all the way in when it clicks down like that.
Good.
So there's our headlight switch installation guide for you, and this is a 6-volt switch that we use, and we also have them in 12-volt if your car is converted.
And that's all, folks.